Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, continue watching. Hey guys, so today I am working with CURLSQUEEN Hair Company. I'm just showing you guys what I received in my hair package. So I got this detangling brush and this bonnet. They also sent me over a little thank you card and this pamphlet with all their information. So if you guys are interested, anything you guys need to know will be in that pamphlet. But this, guys, is the main attraction. This is the drawstring ponytail that they sent me over. So as you can see, you can pull the string and it will open up to become bigger, or you can pull it back in for it to become tighter and smaller. So no matter how thick, how thin, how long, how short your hair is, this ponytail will fit you. So I decided that I was gonna style this ponytail by doing a middle part high ponytail. Yeah. So I went ahead and made a part from ear to ear, clipped away the front section, and with the back, I just did a high ponytail. So this is how it is looking. I just used my hair tie to put it all in one. Once I did that, I used my tail comb and gave myself a part right in the middle. I did decide I wanted hairs left out for my edges, so I combed those out first, and then I combed the rest of my hair back into the ponytail, making sure I kept the part. So sectioning the hair like this allowed me to have a nice crisp part. If you guys can get the part without sections to make it easier for you, you can do that as well, but I like working in sections. So that's what you see me doing here. And once I've gotten it all together, I'm then going to place it all in one and then use my Got To Be Free spray to spray my hair to make sure it is nice and slick. So once I have slicked my hair, I'm going to just take out the hair ties that I put in. Next, I normally just comb it through where the hair ties were and then use my hair tie to just put my ponytail back in place. Once that's done, I'm just twisting my ponytail in one big twist. And then I'm going to wrap it around into a tight bun. So you want to make sure, especially if you have thicker hair, that your hair is wrapped very tight. Then I just used a hair tie to secure it into a bun. Once I've done that, I decided to do my hairs at the front. So I decided to do my edges and my sideburns. So you can see I'm just using a mini flat iron to just curl them. It's easier for me to style them that way. And once I've done that, I'm just going to use my edge control and slick them the way I like it. Now that my edges are done, I am taking this ponytail and I'm going to loosen it up. So I'm pulling it down, widening it, and I'm going to use the comb because there is a comb in the ponytail. And I'm just going to stick that at the top, as you can see. And I'm going to pull everything over my bun. And once I've done that, I'm just using the string and I'm going to tighten it. And once it's tightened, I just wrap the string around my ponytail until there's no more string left to be seen. And when I tell you guys this ponytail is now secured, it is secured, guys. So like any other ponytail, I decided to take a piece out from the back and wrap it around. I did spray some got2b free spray to just hold it in place while it's wrapped. And once there is nothing more to wrap, I just went in with my blow dryer and dried it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. Now I'm going in with my argan oil and I'm just spreading that all over the ponytail because I will be going in with my flat iron a little bit to just straighten it a little bit more. So this is their Light Yaki texture in 24 inches. And I only decided to go in with my straightener because obviously with the packaging and it being folded up, nicely packaged, you just want to make sure it looks nice and clean and smooth. So I just quickly ran through it with my iron. But guys, do you see that this hairstyle did not take any time? This is the quickest hairstyle I think you can do. So this is exactly how it is looking. Super cute, super clean, super easy. So shout out to CURLSQUEEN Hair Company for sending over this ponytail. Can you guys see that I'm pulling the ponytail? It's not going anywhere, guys. I'm trying to show you guys it's not going anywhere. But all the details on this ponytail will be down in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Yeah. Can you guys see the ends? They were full. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if these drawstring ponytails are something you guys would try, but I think the curly would be my next go-to. So make sure you comment down below. Let me know what texture you guys would like this video. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.